Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro Plus just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, under the display selfie camera, second generation flagship processor, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro Plus, a gaming centric phone. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have started with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box, you get the transparent case, user manual, Red Magic 8 Pro Plus phone along with the 165-watt power adapter with a PD charging support and a data cable. Let's unwrap the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. Ever since the Red Magic 5G, Nubia hasn't changed the overall design language much, still using the transparent back and black color options. And the best part is that the transparent back is actually transparent. That does not mean everything you see through it is the real deal. You can't possibly see the CPU as it's covered. Still, the placement is clearly marked. And as a bonus, the cooling fan featured a cool RGB LED, which you can control via the software. Nubia doesn't say what type of glass is used for the back. The camera island has been slightly altered and it's now bigger and bumpy. As we go around the sides, on the right there are two trigger buttons, power button, gaming slider, air vent. On the left side, volume rocker and air vent placed. On the top, secondary noise cancellation mic and 3.5mm headphone jack and top firing speaker. The wall frame has relatively flat sides and it's made of aviation aluminum. The thickness of the phone is around 8.9 mm and weight is around 229 grams. So it's not meant for one-handed use. The screen is 6.8 inch AMOLED with Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and up to 960Hz instant touch sampling rate. Just like the predecessor Red Magic 7 Pro, the 16 megapixel selfie camera is underneath the display, so there is no punch hole design of any sort. It also has a DCI P3 white color gamut and peak brightness level is up to 1300 nits. Let's talk about the main part. Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro Plus comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. In the phone, gaming performance is outstanding. Even without the use of cooling fan, you can play King of Glory at average frame rate of 119.7 FPS without any lag. And you can play Genshin Impact with 60 FPS high setting and got an average frame rate of 59.9 FPS. So the performance is awesome. In the camera department, the phone features a triple camera setup led by 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 sensor and a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and the 2 megapixel macro camera. The phone has 16 megapixel under display front camera for selfies. You can record 8K videos at 30 FPS. We have the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus in order to provide a 165 watt fast charging, the fastest in the Red Magic smartphone. Nubia ranked the battery to 5000 mAh to make the room for the appropriate hardware that takes care of the power distribution, safety management and overall protection. And we highly doubt this variant will escape China as it needs to go through rigorous safety checks in order to be certified around the world. The Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro Plus runs on Android 13 based on Magic OS 6.0 out of the box and has a lot of gaming features. The base variant price of Red Magic 8 Pro Plus in China starts from 5,199 Chinese yuan. If we converted in UK pound is around 624 pound and in US dollars is around $754. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.